These are going to be so good, and you are going to like love how you feel. You know what I feel like? I always feel like that soup commercial, and they're like, you're going to love the way you look. But you're going to love the way you feel, because when you're taking care of your body, everything else falls into place. Like your whole life is going to fall into place, because what it takes for you to push through the resistance to not take care of your body and take the easy way out, what it takes for you to make that decision changes the energy in your body. And energy is the thing that creates your life. So your life is going to transform when you take the time to take care of your body. It's just like the most incredible thing. And I work with a lot of women who are in business for themselves. And there is a lot of fucked up things we have in our mind around our worth related to our business. And so when you take the time to take care of your body, you're actually going to be someone who's going to be able to receive the clients and receive the experience of fulfilling your mission. Because part of this is, yes, that you're here for a purpose and you're helping people through something similar that you've already been able to get through. Like you're healing people that are still unhealed in whatever category you've brought yourself through. So yes, there's that you're going to fulfill it. But here's the thing. Energy can't be created or destroyed. So when you are helping other people, you get to experience the healed version of that subject, which is life. So whatever fantasies you have in your life about what you want to experience, they're going to start to come true. You're going to actually start to have experiences that you've always dreamed about because you're doing your part. And doing your part starts with taking care of you. Love you.